everybody, welcome to day 2 of the North American Sea Glass Association's virtual festival. We're happy that you can join us again today. So today at 11 o'clock, we're going to go on a sea glass excursion with Lisa Hall, one of the founding members of NASGA. Lisa is an accomplished jeweler. She studied in Florence, Italy, but she fell in love with sea glass as a child. She will show us one of her favorite spots on Cranberry Isle. Real excited about that. Not many people tell where they collect their sea glass. After that excursion, she's going to take us into it for a sneak peek of her workshop and how she makes jewelry and also some of her sea glass collection. So hope you can stay for that. Mary McCarthy, one of the board members of the North American Sea Glass Association, will be having her sea glass lantern class, and all you will need is your supplies. Hopefully you got those already. We're real excited for today, and 3 o'clock we're going to announce all of the winners of the Shard ID contest. We are going to have lots of categories, and everyone that's been sending in all of their entries the past couple weeks, you'll be able to see all those entries on our website along with the winners. So we hope that you'll see your name show up. All day you're going to have the virtual booths available to shop and also live events that will be happening through some of our members. I want to remind everybody that we also have our NASGA festival gear that is for sale on our website. You'll have through the end of August to purchase those. We hope you have a great day. We thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you live in 2022. Take care.